here so we can know what percent your Apple Watch is on. So let me show you some ways how you can make it work and figure it out. Let's get started. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So of course you grab the Apple Watch, and it depends on how exactly you have it set up, because on my home screen, lock screen, or the watch face, however you want to call it, I have this little widget or complication as it's called on the watch, which is showing me the details about my battery percentage. So I can always see it right here. I can tap it like that and see the current charge level. If you want to, you can hold down on your watch, go to the edit mode and choose one of the complications to show the battery percentage, which is actually very useful and how I personally use it every day. But you can as well click the side button on the watch like this, and this is going to pull up the control center sort of. And in here you can as well see the battery percentage, which you can click on and see the current charge level. So that's in fact very useful because this is accessible from any place of the watch. Then you can as well go to the settings app of the device and scroll through all of the available things and tap the battery, which as well will not only tell you the current charge level, but as well the battery health, which is very important actually to pay attention to. And one more thing one more way which I really like to see the battery level is to actually use the iPhone that is paired to that Apple Watch. Because on that device, I like to set up a battery widget in here on my home screen or anywhere else I like it. And this is going to give me the ability to see it right here every time I just look at it on my iPhone, right? So I don't even have to grab the Apple Watch for this. So I hope it makes sense. I would really love to hear your feedback below. For now, that's going to be about it, and I'm going to see you later in the future uploads as well.